So here we have a code snippet, and nothing wrong with it besides the generous use of if statements and without ligatures turned on. You might be wondering what ligatures are. Ligatures help combine two or more characters and displays them as one, usually one that is easily read. So to activate ligatures in VS Code, we need to first install fonts with ligature support. So one of my favorite fonts is Feral Code. There are other free options out there like JetBrains, Mono, and MonoID. So to download Feral Code, just a quick Google search will lead you to the GitHub repo. Then you can download and install the font. So the next thing would be to edit the settings file of your VS Code. Just open up user settings in VS Code, search for font, then click on font under font ligatures and add these two lines of code in your settings.json file. Save and then reload your VS Code. And there you have it. Ligature support has been turned on in VS Code. So do let me know in the comment section if you do enjoy coding with ligature support turned on or you'd rather not have it at all.